In this video, I will be showing you how to install DuckDuckGo browser on Mac. So let's get started. Just search for DuckDuckGo. We'll be having the official link. Select it. And here we are having download browser. Click that. And the download will be getting started. It is around 166 MB in size. So just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it and drop it inside applications. Go to apps, and as you can see, we are having the DuckDuckGo. Open it. We will be getting the welcome to DuckDuckGo browser. Just click on let's do it. It will ask us some basic setup questions. If you want to make DuckDuckGo the default browser for your Mac, you can click on this. Else simply click on skip. Next is, if you want to keep DuckDuckGo in your dock, you can simply click on keep in dock or else skip. Next, if you want to import the bookmarks or passwords from your previous browsers, you can do that. I don't want that. I will click on skip. Click on next. Yes, this is fine. Show bookmarks bar. And I don't want this. I will click on skip. Skip for this also. Select next. They're also having the AI chat feature, which is Duck AI. I'm fine with it and click on start browsing. That's it. We will be getting the DuckDuckGo browser interface. As I said earlier, we are having the normal search over here, and apart from that, we are also having the Duck AI. If you want to perform or ask any questions to AI, you can select Duck AI and ask it, change the model here also, and add files for context too. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.